You can see here some items made up of metals have been displayed over here. First, let us see the things which are made up of iron. You can see these tools. Okay, all these tools you would have seen in your home. So, these all are made up of iron. Nails, screw, etc. All these are made up of iron. Apart from these, iron finds its use in the construction of bridges, buildings, in making chains, etc. Second metal is the copper. You can see here the copper utensil and copper wire. So, copper finds its use for making coins, electric wires, utensils, etc. Next common metal used in our homes are the aluminium utensils. Aluminium is also used for making electric wires, aluminium foil which is used for wrapping food for its preservation. Next item is mercury. Clinical thermometer is made up of mercury to measure the temperature. Mercury is used in vapor lamps also. Apart from these metals, gold and silver you would have seen in your home. Precious metals, gold and silver are. So gold is used for making coins, medals, ornaments. In gold leaf electroscope, it is an instrument which is used to detect a charged body. Even gold foils are made to decorate sweets. Next precious metal, silver. It is used for making coins, medals, ornaments, utensils, as well as silver foil. Silver foil is used for decorating sweets. Sodium. Sodium is used for making sodium compounds and sodium vapor lamps. Next metal is potassium. It is used for making potassium compounds. Let's tabulate the uses of metals. Metals are used in making machinery, automobiles, aeroplanes, trains, satellites, industrial gadgets, cooking utensils, water boilers, etc. Let us see one by one in detail. Iron. Iron is used in the construction of bridges, buildings, in making nails, tools, chains, etc. Next is the copper. Copper is used for making coins, electric wires, utensils, etc. Aluminium. It is used for making electric wires, utensils, foils, used for wrapping food. Gold. It is used for making coins, medals, ornaments in gold leaf electroscope, an instrument used to detect charged body, foils, etc. Next is silver. It is used for making coins, medals, ornaments, utensils, foils, etc. Gold and silver foils are used to decorate the sweets. Mercury is used in mercury thermometers and in mercury vapor lamps, etc. Sodium is used in sodium vapor lamps for making sodium compounds, etc. Potassium is used for making potassium compounds. Let's have a look at the entire tabulation of uses of metals. You can take screenshot for your future reference. Now let us study uses of non-metals. Non-metals are essential for our life, which we all living beings inhale during breathing and also other gases present in the air. Oxygen we use for breathing and other non-metals in the gaseous forms are used widely by us. They are hydrogen, nitrogen, etc. Non-metals used in fertilizers to enhance the growth of plants, that is sulfur. Non-metals used in water purification process, that is carbon. Other uses of carbon and its allotropes. Carbon is used in medical field to detect the age of fossils, etc. Graphite, an allotrope of carbon, is used as a lubricant in making pencil lead. Coal, another allotrope of carbon, is used as a fuel. And diamond. Yes, diamond is also a carbon. It is the hardest substance and diamond is used in making jewelry, ornaments and also used as a glass cutter. Plants use carbon dioxide gas, that is carbon plus oxygen. Both are nonmetals for photosynthesis. Non-metals used in crackers, explosives, insecticides, fertilizers, disinfectants, cream for skin diseases, vulcanization of rubber to prepare sulfuric acid, etc. For this, sulfur and its compounds are used. And as we discussed, other nonmetals present in the gaseous forms like oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, etc. are also used by us widely.